Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you my Bitmoji classroom. This is what my classroom looks like. You can see I have the Bitmoji of myself here in the center, and I've added lots of interactive things for my students to click on. I use my Bitmoji classroom on my It's Learning platform. I give this to my students when they work asynchronously. It's got lots of extra resources and things that they can do when they are not live with me. However, Bitmoji classrooms can be used for direct instruction too. If you link videos to your self-teaching content. So some of the things I have on here, as you can see, it says click on the suns to explore. Any of the suns you click on will take you to different things. So for example, if I were to click on the sun by the alphabet, it will take the students to a video about the letters and sounds in the alphabet. If I click on the pillows here, it will take the kids to a guided meditation to help them rest. If I click on my picture here, it will take them to a Google slide that will tell them a little bit about me, since they are not getting to know me in person and only virtually. And there are also fun things in here too. So if I click on my penguin, it'll take them to the Penguin Dance by Jack Hartman because penguins are our school mascot. Or there's academics in here as well. So I can take, if I click on reading, it will take them to a game I've linked on ABC Yeah. This one is just a review of the different letters and sounds. They can click on the letters to hear the sounds, or they can click on multiple at one time to help them sound something out. For example, et, set. I also have some books linked on here. This will take them to a read aloud of a different story. This one is The Very Hungry Caterpillar. And I also have lots of things that we use in our morning routine linked on here. If they miss class for some reason, or if they just feel like doing it on a weekend or a day when we don't have school, they can do the same kinds of things. For example, if they click on the days of the week, it will take them to the Days of the Week song that we sing every day. So this is just a brief overview of my Bitmoji classroom. They can become a lot more intense, or they can be very basic like mine is. I really enjoy them, and I hope you enjoy them as well. Thanks so much for listening.